What you need here is just your smartphone to make this kind of wonderful video effects. You can see wonderful tricks. Just sit tight and follow us as I walk you step by step how to make this kind of videos. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will suggest it to other viewers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Let's begin now. As you are watching the tutorial, if there is anything you don't understand, please hit the comment section. Thank you. Mount your camera on a tripod using portrait mode. After that, record the sky for a few seconds like you just see me do. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project. Import the video you just recorded. Then adjust it. At this point, click it and make a split. Delete this part, we don't need it again. Adjust more, no, come back. At this point, click it and make a split. Delete this part, we don't need it again. Click on this one, go and look for freeze. Look for freeze. Freeze. Click on freeze. Click here, then drag it to your choice. Then you come back. At this point, close this CapCut. Click on Chrome browser. Make sure the picture you want to use for this is ready. Come here and click remove BG. Write remove BG. Remove background. Upload image. Click on upload image. Photo gallery. Then import the picture you want to use, the photo you want to use. Choose. Click on choose. Then allow it to remove completely. Allow it to remove completely. Now click on background. Click on color. Choose green color because we are going to bring it into CapCut. Choose green color. Choose green color. Then at this point, click on download. Click on download. I will explain something here as you click on download. If you are using an Android phone now, immediately you click on that download. The photo, the picture will download into your gallery direct. But if you are using an iPhone like me, what you will do is send it to any of your friend, wife, brother or sister. Ask them to send it back to you. So as they send it back to you, you click on the video and save it to your gallery. As you are going to see me do now. Simple. Then after that, go out from here, click on CapCut again. Then go click on overlay. Click on overlay. Go and import the picture you just work on, the photo you work on. Import it. This is it. Import it into your CapCut. Import it. At this point, we want to remove BG. We want to remove background. At this point, we want to remove background. Look at remove BG. Click on it. Chroma key. Hold it and drag it. Simple. Click on this. Good. Click on the video and drag it to cover the sky. The green screen, cover the sky. Yes. At this point, come and use your two hands. Hold onto the video and crop it to your choice. Crop it to the size you want. Then drag it up. Drag it up. Drag it up completely. Drag it up. Then come and click on chroma key. Click on chroma key. Then move the video. Drag the photo down. Move the video. Drag the photo down. You can move it to anywhere. Anyhow you want your video to move or your picture to move. Move it to anywhere. Use any style you want. Simple. Look at what I am doing. Use any style. You can use any style you want, whichever way you want your own to move, how you want it to land, how you want it to begin, how you want it. You can see what I am doing there. You can do any style of your own choice. Yes. Just do your own style, the way you want your own to be. The next thing now is to import our moon. Come and click on overlay. Then click on video. Come and click on your moon and import it to your work. Import to your CapCut. Then at this point, you go and look for mask. Go and look for mask. This is mask here. Click on mask. Click on circle. Then use your hand to adjust it to come and cover the moon. Then circle it. Use these two arrows, the one here and the one here, to resize it to the size of the moon exactly. Then after that, you come and click on this grid here. The next thing now we want to do is to go and click on splice. We want to blend the color of the moon with the sky. Come and click on splice. Yes, at this moment, click on filter. Yes. Then use your hand to adjust it the way you want your own to be. Yes. Then after that, you add chroma key. Now you add chroma key. So you add chroma key, you move the video. Now. So move the video, you adjust the moon. As you are moving the video, you are adjusting the moon to the way you want it to be, just like you did to the other one. Exactly the same thing you did to your photo. Exactly the same thing you are doing to the moon. The way you want the moon to move is the way you are going to be turning it. As you are moving the video, the chroma key will be adding automatically. Your own is just to be moving the video. The chroma key, move the video, move the moon. The chroma key will be adding automatically. Move it to your own choice, the way you want your own to be. At this point, we want to add those lighting effects you saw on the video. So click on this arrow and go back. Then click on effects. Look at effects there. Click on effects. Come and click on video effects. Go and look for nature. This is nature here. Click it. Then look at the light you use. This one. Yes. You add it. At this point, you have added. Click on the light and adjust it to cover the video. You should cover the video. So at this point now, we shall be adding sound, thunder sound to it. That thunder sound you had on it, we want to add that thunder sound now. Click on this arrow and still go back. Click on it. Click on audio. Click on sound. Come here and type thunder sound. You clip them one by one and look for your preferably choice, the one you like. Anyone you like, you click on that plus and import it. Whichever one you like, click on that plus and import it. I think I like this one. I import it now. So you hear the sound. So that is it. At this point, I think our video is ready. Yes, you can see it clear now. I think our video is ready at this point. So the next thing now is to export the video to our gallery. So you click on export. Yes, you click on export and export the video to your gallery. Now you can share the video to your social media handles. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers or other viewers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please, we need to grow now. Support us to grow. Thank you very much. Stay safe.